Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Microbial Life IWM. My name is Priyanka Raha. In the video series, we will discuss about different type of bacteria, fungi, virus, protozoa and other different microorganisms which are responsible for different deadly diseases. We will also discuss some microorganisms which are beneficial for human beings, plants and animals. In this video series, we will only give you brief or basic idea. Later we will discuss it. So today topic is Taenia solium. First, introduction of Taenia solium. So Taenia solium infection is an intestinal infection with adult tapeworm that follow ingestion of contaminated pork. Cysticercosis is infection with larva of Taenia solium which develop after ingestion of ova excreted in human feces. Adult worms may cause mild gastrointestinal symptoms or passage of a motile segment in the stool. Cysticercosis is usually asymptomatic unless larvae invade the central nervous system, resulting in neurocysticercosis, which can cause seizures and various other neurological signs. Neurocysticercosis may be recognized on brain imaging studies. Fewer than half of patients with neurocysticercosis have adult Taenia solium in their intestine and thus egg or progolytes in their stool. So this is a side of Taenia solium. This is a body part of the Taenia solium. Neck showing rostrum, sucker, two hook, small hook, blade, large hook. So this is a body part of the Taenia solium. Next topic is life cycle. What is the life cycle of the Taenia solium? Human develop intestinal infection with adult worm after ingestion of contaminated pork, or may develop cysticercosis after ingestion of Taenia solium egg. Number 1. Human ingest raw or undercooked pork containing larva. Number 2. After ingestion, cyst evigant attached to the small intestine by their scolex and mature into larva worm in about 2 months. Number 3. Adult tapeworm produce progolytes which become gravid there, detach from the tapeworm and migrate to the anus. Number 4. Detached progolytes egg or both are passed from the defective host, I mean to say human, in feces. Number 5. Pig or human became infected by ingestion embryonic eggs or gravid progolytes. Autoinfection may occur in human. Progolytes pass from the intestine to the stomach via reverse parasitalis. Number 6. After eggs are ingested, they touch the intestine and release oncosphere which penetrate the intestinal wall. Number 7. Oncospheres travel through the bloodstream to strengthen muscles and to the brain, liver and other organ, where they develop into cysticercosis. Cysticercosis can result. So brain, liver and other organ of the body. What is the symptoms of the Taenia solium? Number 1. Intestinal infection. Human infected with adult Taenia solium are asymptomatic or have mild gastrointestinal complication. They may see procolytes in their stool. Number 2. Cysticercosis. Cysticercosis larva is most organ cause minimal or no tissue reaction, but dying cyst in the central nervous system, eye or spinal cord can release antigen, the liquid and intestine tissue response. The symptoms often do not appear for years after infection. Infection in the brain, what is called neurocysticercosis, may result in severe symptoms due to mass effect and inflammation induced by Dengish inflammation induced by degeneration of cysticercosis and release of antigen. Depending on the location and number of cysticercosis, patient with neurocysticercosis may present with seizures, signs of increased intracranial pressure, hydrocephalus, focal neurologic signs, mental status, or aspetic meningitis. Cysticercosis may also affect the spinal cord, muscle, and eye. Substantial secondary immunity develop after larval infection. What is the process of diagnosis of Taenia solium? Microscope examination of stool for ova and procolytes, CT and MRI, and serologic testing for patient with central nervous systems. Next point, treatment. What is the treatment of Taenia solium? The treatment of the Taenia solium is for intestinal infection, praziquantel or niclosamide; for neurocysticercosis, corticosteroid, anti-seizure drugs, and some albendazole and surgery. Thank you for watching this video. Details note for this topic is in description box. From there you can download it. If you want to join in our group, you will find the link from the description box. Thank you.